beginners, it's your girl Kim Carr here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create the perfect winged eyeliner. So if you are interested, please continue watching. The first thing I'm going to tell you is the technique. I want you to master the technique before I move into what I am using. I like to create a thin line at the corner of my eye, which extends as far as how long I want my winged eyeliner to be. When I extend that line, I like to draw a line from the tip of that line in an angular mode and draw it down onto my eyelid. You can make it as thick as how you want, or you can make it as thin as how you want. When I draw that second line, the third line that you see me drawing is from my tear duct connecting to that line. So you will notice it is like a cartoon effect. You draw those three lines and then you fill in the spaces. So let me go through this again. All you need to do is to create a thin line on the corner of your eye, and this determines how long you want your eyeliner to be. The second line that you draw from the tip of the line that you first drew down to the eye, that will determine how thick you want your eyeliner to be. The third line that you draw is from your tear duct connecting to that line, and when you connect the dots, you start to fill in the spaces. Basically, practice makes perfect. As you can see, I messed up the eye. One eyeliner was thicker than the other, so I had to go back to the other eye and thicken it by drawing the second line a little bit thicker on the eye. It is really simple. You don't need to stress yourself out about it. I am using the Maybelline Master Precise by Eye Studio. I like to use this eyeliner because it's easy to use and it gives you that precision. So when I am wearing eyeliner only, I like to line my waterline with eyeliner. You can use any color, but today I'm using black. And I add a little bit of mascara in order to accentuate the eyes a little bit more and give me that fluttery eyes that I like. Finish off with your favorite lip combo, and that's it. You have easily slayed your makeup look with the winged eyeliner. So like I said, practice makes perfect. You really need to practice it in order to really get it. I don't know if I'm explaining it to you properly or in a way that you will understand. What you need to do is rewatch the video and try and grasp the technique. It's really simple, trust me. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. As usual, I really hope that you learned something from it, and if you do, please leave a comment down below if you found it easy to work with. As always, enough love, big up yourself, subscribe if you haven't already, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.